I don't know yet. But whatever it takes, we will be free. Let me remind many of you that these politicians put every one of us, our life in danger. How do you protect that life? You think America cares about you? America doesn't care about every single one of you. You think the British care about you, the government? They don't care about any one of us. We should be the one to care about ourselves now and prepare our mind that for us to be free, internally free from the bondage of the Fulani terrorists, we must go back to who we are prior, before the fraudulent amalgamation. Thank you so much, Mr. Shegun Ariyose. There is not one group of people in Europe with a population of more than 2 million that do not have their own country. Yòrùbá people are more than... Let's even keep it at